Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you add music board to Discord server. In order to add music board to Discord server, you need to follow these steps. So here what you need to do is actually you want to be the admin of the server. So first of all, you want to open a particular server for which you want to go and add the music board. This is the one. Now then click the arrow icon from the top of the page and go to server settings. As you go to server settings, then you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit, go to the app section. Underneath, you want to click on app directories. As you go to app directories, on the search box or in the search field, you want to type in the name, that is green board, and hit enter button after you locate it. So this is the one. You're going to click that out and click on add app. Now then you have to go ahead and confirm that. So, and this is the particular server. Click on authorize all that. And once you've actually done it, so you want to make sure to mark on the terms and conditions as well. So once you've actually done it, so you want to go ahead and click on continue. And if you're sure about it, once again click on authorize. And once you've actually verified, since you need to be verified and all that, so you want to click on the continue button. And as you've done it, so you want to then go back to your server. So this is the one. And what you just need to do is, when it's already been added, since I have not verified, so particular bot hasn't been added, but once you've actually added it, so you want to just open up the server, and here you simply want to type in / you simply want to go ahead and join the voice server or the voice chat. So this is the one, voice. So I'm just going to go with and type in /play, and once you actually do it, so you can find a prompt at the top. You just want to do it so, and then type in the music name that you want to play, and this way you'll have successfully played music. You successfully added music board to Discord. So this is how it's work. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.